This is a reset. So if I feel myself hitting something that's maybe potentially stressful, I'll just change my attention to something else. I'll sometimes just turn my head, focus, look at something, because I want to catch it early. The earlier that you catch it, the more effective you're going to be, because it doesn't become a neurobiological event. It takes a few seconds for it to become a neurobiological event, meaning cortisol is flowing and then the adrenaline, etc. And the other thing I'll add is these are not hacks. This is a reset. The reason hacks don't work is because of this thing called homeostasis, where the system is always wanting to stabilize, and in the process of stabilizing, it's going to absorb what those hacks are, and they're not going to work anymore. By doing a complete reset, by putting in new templates, by changing things at the conditioning level, then you're making changes, and you might have to retune it. Good thing with humans and with yourself, when you reinforce it a few times, it starts to take, because the best way of changing a habit is not to change the habit, but to replace it with a new habit. And that way you get new neural pathways, you get the myelination. Eventually the synapses will move away, gets pruned from the old neural pathways to be used for the new neural pathways, and the old habits fall away.